Yo, what's good? It's your boy Mari back with another video. On today's video, we are in the negative account. We're at 625, but it won't be negative for long. We almost back to the amount we had initially put in here. We are at 625. We almost back to 700. We had went all the way down to 280, 300. So we went down at least 50%, more than 50%. We back up. So that's good. We're gonna use the same strategy we've been using. $14 for the starting amount. Same rule apply. We lose 3 times in a row, we done. Win 3 times in a row, we done. So yeah, let's get to it.
Smoke a blunt and catch my second wind. I've been off my tour, but she probably just had sex with him. She's out of your possession, you cannot protect her then. South Central, that's my residence. Daily like those 7 sins. And if I'm not the king of this, I must be the president. OMG, I'm ill as shit. Money is my medicine. Shout out to my niggas in the pen, text messaging. Shout out to them bitches getting it in they crevices. Conjugal visits make sex seem so irrelevant. Forget about the risk we took, I never can. Rebel in this white man's world until they bury him. Being broke is so un-American. That's why I'm screaming all money in till the end. Nigga, they held us both without no bail. 10 stacks to my lawyer, said a prayer that we prevail. Jealous niggas hated that, love to see a nigga fail. Miss me with that, bro, I love you. Suck a nigga, be for real. Fake as $4 bills. Hit the gas, we outta here. On our way to Fox Hills, spinning like we got a meal. Smoking so much kush, it got us feeling like we off a pill. They know we got dollars still, them bitches know they got the bill. Eating Benihana's daily, drive my baby mama crazy. Name a nigga that could fade me. Pussy that does not persuade me. Got a swag that make them hate me. Plus we never shop at Macy's. Louis V and Gucci maybe. Neiman Marcus, Blue Mercedes. We was both familiar faces. Spending thousands, dodging cases. And fuck a bottle, bringing cases. What we told the waitress. Then pop Clico for all of y'all that tried to play us. Dedicated to all you niggas, all you fake bitches. SB, what up, bro? Marathon continues, my niggas. Yeah. Keys to the motherfucking city. We got that. Cali on my back. The new voice LA, and I speak for you, niggas. Hustle, hustle. Drake Pass, Def Jam, Capital Atlantic 2. Thought that I'd be dead and doing life, cause what I rap is true. Just another you know who. Sam had some time to do. And yeah, Steve was cool, but I heard Big U's an animal. Fuck what they was talking about. We just did what we had to do. Became the most valuable after I dropped Volume 2. On the West Coast at least. Now for the West Coast I speak. Cause on a level 4 with Gil Bone is where I'm supposed to be. I be on some business shit. Y'all bring out the loc in me. And like a broke weed head, my pistol is smoke for free. Imani ain't gon' know the streets. Gotta keep it close to me. Put that on the man that's on the cross on my rosary. Wasn't always banging, but I speak about it openly. No shame in my game, I did my thing on the coldest streets. Who the hottest on the west? All you niggas know it's me. So tell whoever got it locked that Nipsey Hussle stole the key. Nigga, yeah, yeah.
messed up right there. I put in
Fuck bitches, love life, my nigga. You only live once. For damn sure we gon' leave this motherfucker. Slauson boys, all money in, no money out, nigga.
To the second one, I'm gonna put it at 50 cents because they're basically 28 right there. So I had to double it again. But hopefully we win this one. We don't have to. But if these two lose and I take this 56, that's gonna be my last one. So but hopefully this win and we done for the day. So we gonna see. That bit playing.
Myself for most problems. I love to feel the pain. I let it out on my love. It's a dangerous game. I've become numb to emotions, and now they feel the same. I get a rush from the lights. A dangerous game we play. Say, why don't anything ever go my way?
Why it don't never go my way, man? I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna double up one more time. Fuck it. I said I win. Alright, we definitely done. We definitely done after that one. Yeah, we do. So we back down to 438.
I'm calm, cool, collected, but move different after 8 p.m. Still got love for niggas robbing at the ATM. My nigga made the news, we went to school, but now I pray for him.
We struggling, y'all. We gonna get back. We gonna get back. We gonna get
Could've
back.
helped the feeling that I owed him something. I seen him hanging with them niggas, I should've told him something. I should've listened to his music when he sent it to me. And it hurt to think that nigga probably looked up to me. Now it's another man down cause of my fucking ego. I never speak, that's why I always seem stuck up with people. But I'm so used to everybody saying the same shit. I got a target on my back and I won't let them hit it. I got too much to lose, so much more to gain. What I look like living off another nigga name.
Y'all.
But look how far we came.
Y'all.
See you do it for the hype, but this what keep
No, stay up. Go. Yeah! Hey! Let's go. Okay. We got lucky. For. Oh my god. We got lucky as fuck. But hey, we gonna take it. You feel me? So, we got lucky, boy. We got lucky, y'all. So, again, we had missed the first one. Won the second one, doubled up. Lost the third one. We had took these two at the same time, so that counted as the third one. Lost the fourth one. And there was the last one, the fifth one that I wasn't even supposed to take, but I did it. But I'm glad I did. So we end up finishing the day in profit, not much. I think we started with $6.25, so there's like $28. So I mean, not crazy. It's profit when we was down to 400 something. So we'll take it. So we done for the day. Gonna delete all this, and we done. So yeah, if you want the same strategy we've been using, we $47 or $46.42 away from 700. So we almost there. So you want to learn the strategy, join the Discord, link down below. Ebook, visual breakdown on this exact strategy I'm using. Sportsman picks, crypto info, everything you need to know is in there. Get in there before I start charging. I'm finna charge $25 a month. I'm letting you know now, get in there while it's free. And if you get in there while it's free, you won't have to pay. You already in. So yeah, but that's it, man. Catch me in the next video.